let's begin the lesson today by going through your tricky words. Now, to mix it up, if you want to have a go at trying to spell some of those words, best thing to do would be to pause the screen now, have a read, and then have a write. Okay, let's do our speed sounds. A, t, p, I, d, g, o, k, k, e, o, b. And not forgetting that our digraph of two F's also makes a sound, so two. And a digraph to make a k sound. Okay, our new letter today is the letter L, and it makes a sound. Okay, that's a sound. So my turn, your turn. 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 Okay, so let's just have a quick look at how we write this letter. So we've got a leg, and what we do is we just go down the long leg. Down the long leg. So get your finger in the air and we'll do it 5 times together. Okay? Down the long leg. 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 Okay? So what we need to make sure when we're drawing this letter is that it is really tall. Okay? Because it looks very similar to the letter I, but the letter I is only as big as that. Okay, so it's really tall letter. Down the long leg. Down the long leg. So making sure that it is significantly bigger if you're writing it with your I. Okay, pause the video and have a practice of the letter L for me. Okay, let's move on to reading some words. So what we'll do first of all is I will sound them out and you blend them. B, I, Bill. So straight away you'll notice that 2 letter L's together make a sound, and that is a digraph. Okay, but it is the same sound as a single Okay, next one. N, E, L, A, P, L, E, T, L, O, T, B, E, L, D, O, L. Okay, did you get them right? Okay, so this time what I'd like you to do is pause the video and I would like you to have a go at segmenting and blending all of those words on your own. Off you go. Well done. Hope you did okay on that one. Okay, here are some captions for you. So first of all, just have a go for yourself. So pause the video and have a go at reading those. There's some tricky words in there as well. Off you go. So let's begin with our first tricky word. Look. 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 Big. Big. Doll. Look, a big doll. Did you get that one right? Next one. The fat leg. The fat leg. Okay, hopefully you got that one right too. Okay, let's go back to your boards now and have a go at writing some of these words. So the first one I'd like you to have a go at writing is the word lap. Lap. So pause the video, have a go, and then I'll write it very soon. Lap. Did you get it right? Next one. Let. Let. Pause the video now. Let. Let. Next one. Lot. 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 And last one. Doll. D-O-L. This one might have our digraph L sound. D-O-L. Doll. Hopefully you had a good go at those and got them right. So the next one I'd like you to have a go at is the caption. So I'll give you 2 captions. I will read one out. Best thing to do would be to pause the video, write it out, and then I will show you to check. Okay, so the first one I want you to write is, look, a big doll. Look, a big doll. And your second caption is, the fat leg. The fat leg. Okay, and here is your captions again, just to check how well you did.